So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my light. I'm going to make it a night scene. Okay, I'm going to put my sun quite low, almost in the evening. That's too yellowish for me. I can control that with the ozone. The higher it is, the less yellowish it is. Okay, and I can of course control the intensity multiplier, but I'd rather not do it. Also, the bigger the size is, the less sharp the shadows are going to be. Okay, so it started becoming more of an overcast day. But let's leave that as it is. And now I'm going to create my IES lights, because the IES lights makes no sense to do them when I have a super bright scene, because you won't see the shapes. Okay, so I'm going to go over how to create the IES lights, and I'm here again in the light creation, and I have my IES there, and I'm just going to go to this view and drop the light right there. Now I'm going to copy it and instance it. Okay, and so let's observe what I have. By the way, right now I totally distort what I see on the camera. So if I want to actually always see the proportions I will have in the camera, I click on the camera and select show save frames. And this is actually the proportion I'm always going to have in the camera. Okay, so this is now what I have in my camera. And I have these IES lights there. I'm going to have to change a little bit the exposure of my physical camera. And I start seeing what my IES are about. These are these decorative lights that you would have in interior scenes. Okay, now it's like a very round, boring distribution. And what an IES light typically is this kind of light that I usually with this profile showing me how the distribution works. Okay, and I can download it from almost every luminaire company. And these are downloaded from the Solid Angle website. You can actually just type solid angle IES lights, and you would have all these samples, and you can download absolutely all these samples. And these are fake lights. These are not really from a particular company, but it's a nice catalog and easy to use them. Okay, so I'm actually gonna use now let's say number 2. Okay, so for that I go to my IES light. Since they are instance, it's going to load exactly the same profile. And then I have my IES, and then we set number 2, right? And now you already see how the profile changed. Okay, and I can change the color. So I'm going to change the temperature with Kelvin. I'm going to put it a little bit more yellowish. Okay, and I can probably change the intensity. So right now it's in 1750. And in most of these profiles, they already come with an intensity, and I have them a lot more strong. But just keep in mind that your IES lights are not there to actually give light, are there more for decoration, because the fall off of it is not really that strong. Okay, so that will conclude our content on light. Keep in mind that for exterior scenes it's better an HDRI. Even for interior scenes it's good to have an HDRI. It's even better if you have the HDRI of the scene and you don't have to create the walls and the lights. You just have to take care of your object. Okay. Depending on your HDRI, you're going to have a better quality, sharp, not sharp, noise, less noise. You can create almost every light of a studio setup with your light options. So that is it for our lights class.